Hi everyone and welcome to Fun with Code. In this video, we are going to draw the Apple logo using Python. As always, we are going to use the turtle module. So without any further delay, let's have fun with code. All you need is the turtle module. So go ahead and install the module, and after you have installed it, import turtle as t begin fill, and let's set this background color. Let's set it to gray. Let's set the fill color. Let's set the fill color to white. Let's set the speed. I'm going to set it to 20, and then let's say t dot left. Let's create two. We are going to need two functions. Let's say the first function as curve1. We are going to need few values, few inputs for this function to run. So let's say number and forward angle, and then for the function we are going to create a for loop. For I in range num, we are going to say t dot forward for and we are going to pass in forward. So if you pass in 50, so and if you pass 10 in place of 0, and if you pass 50 in for 100, now this loop will repeat for 10 times, and each time it will move 50 steps forward. So this is how this loop works. And then we are going to say t dot left angle will be angle, and then let's copy this function. Let's paste it here. Let's change it to curve2, and everything else will be same, except change this to t dot right, and everything else is same. So let's set this angle to 130, and also let's change this to 31 and 1, because maximum times we are going to use this setup. So always pass the we don't need to give the data again and again. If we just call the function, it's much easier. So now let's say curve1 and t dot right of 5 degrees, and then curve1 again, but let's say the num equal to 35, and then t dot left 5 degrees, and then let's say curve2 number equal to 15, and then the forward value will be 0.7, and the angle will be 3. Now let's come back to the function here. Let's change it to float, because we are passing here and in and decimal because we are passing a decimal value, and if you don't say float, Python will not accept it because it will take it as an integer value. So make sure you have used float function there. And then we are going to say forward sorry t dot forward of 25, and then t dot left 5 degrees, curve 1, let's say num equal to 50, t dot right of 3 degrees, and then curve 1 again, num equal to 50 again, and then t dot right t dot t dot right t dot right of 5 degrees. Let's just copy this and paste it. Now let's try running the program. And let's say t dot done. Now if you run the program, the window will not close until you yourself close the window. Now you can see that half of the logo is done. All we need to do is extend this, and we need to do exactly opposite what we did here, and then we need to create another curve. So let's do that. Now we are going to say curve 1 num equal to 45, forward 2, and we are going to say left by 5 degrees, curve 1 again, let's say num equal to 20 and angle equal to 2, let's say left t dot left of 5 degrees, and then t dot forward 15. Then we are going to say curve 2 num equal to 15, and then forward 1 and angle is 1. Let's say t dot right 4 degrees, and then t dot forward 4.5, 4.5, and t dot right by 1 degree, and then let's call curve 1 function num equal to 27, angle equal to 2, t dot left 8 degrees, and t dot forward 10 degrees, and t dot left 8 degrees, 83 degrees, and let's call curve 2 again. We are going to say num equal to 75, and then forward will be 1.3, and then angle will be 1, and then let's say t dot right of 4 degrees. Actually we have missed a line here. We need to add t dot forward 30 here, and I guess we need to remove this, and then we need to add this again, and we need to add curve2 function here. Curve2 num equal to 9, forward equal to 2, and angle will be 3, and we are going to say t dot forward 1, and now we need to add t dot forward 5, and we need to add curve 1 function here. Number will be 25, and forward equal to 2, and then we are going to say t dot right of 3 degrees. Now actually this should be t dot right. Now if you run the program, you'll get an apple without leaf. So now we almost got the apple, and we need to also draw a leaf. So let's do that. After end fail, let's say t dot pen up, and then let's say t dot left 132 degrees, and t dot forward 100, and then t dot right 96. Now this won't affect our drawing because we have used the command pen up. So whatever commands you are giving after that, they won't affect the drawing unless you say pen down. So let's say t dot pen down, t dot pen down, and then let's say t dot begin fill. Let's say the fill color, let's set the fill color to white, and then we are going to use curve 2 function. Number will be 60, forward equal to 0.8, and then angle equal to 1. Let's say t dot t dot right 120 degrees. Let's just copy this let's just copy the statement and paste it here, and then we have come to the end. Let's say t dot height turtle and t dot end fill. Now let's run the program and see if it works. And we have our half bitten apple with the leaf. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel.